You are now a public official, Mr. President, and therefore, you must uphold the law of the land. Because we do not have a personal policy here. Our policy is a lawful policy. We must always, naniniwala po kayo dyan, correct me if I'm wrong, we must always uphold the Constitution. Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir.
Ayan. Alam mo, ano pong pagkakaiba nyo si Vigilantes, for example? Ano pong pagkakaiba nyo si Vigilante? Na pumapatay po ng drug addict na nanlalaban din.
Well,
Ayan,
sir,
sige po, pakipaliwanag po sa amin.
may classification niya, sir. Hindi ka basta-basta pumatay ng drug addict.
Yes,
You kill drug lords
yes, yes.
and the purveyors of drugs.
Aha.